Hey Mick, welcome to Raw Talk, mate. Tell us about your C10 here.
Yeah, it's 1968. It's got a 454 with a 4L80E transmission in it, which is run by computer. 3.9 rear end, which I've got to go up to 411s because it's no good for the 4-speed. Besides that, come out of America and I enjoy driving it, and I enjoy people looking at it as well.
Oh yeah, so you shipped it in like this, eh?
Exactly as it is, mate. Took it over the pits as it is.
Beautiful.
So no problems, no hassles, no oil leaks, no nothing. Everything's been brand new on it. Was restored about 6 years ago, I think.
Oh right, what are you running it on?
At the moment, 98. I was running on AVGAS, but
Yep.
can't get that stuff anymore. So
Thanks to COVID?
yeah,
Kind of,
and not only that, my mate sold his plane, so
Oh, okay, that's not good.
yeah, and you can't sort of get it anymore. So it runs all right on 98, but I'm going to build another motor so it actually runs on 98. This thing still pings at 98. So
Ooh, okay.
yeah, so in the process of doing that now, another 454, probably take it out to a 496 or something like that, and
Right.
by I reckon halfway through next year I should have it in.
Sweet. It's a beautiful red, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I don't know what colour it is. People keep asking me, but yeah, I have no idea what red it is, you know. So I don't know if it's Porsche red, Ferrari red. I have no idea.
Monza red.
Yeah.
By the way, it's bloody nice red.
Yeah, it's nice
And the
and
chrome.
clean. Yeah, the chrome's always, you know, every weekend out there polishing it. So
Good stuff.
gives me something to do, mate.
Yeah. All right, thanks a lot for that.
No worries, anytime.
Beautiful.